Hi there. I'm just going to give you some feedback here. You didn't give yourself a letter grade for the week, so I don't see that done. It says justify the grade you earned this week based on the evidence you listed below. Specifically note what you learned and challenges you may have addressed and overcome and how you grew. And so I would expect a series of points there to justify your grade. This link doesn't work, and that's not actually what I wanted you to do. I want you to actually put in the result of your prompt here and a summary of what you learned. So the link doesn't work, but I didn't want the link anyway. And if you're going to do a Gen A activity, it looks like it's best to actually save it in a Google Doc and then put a link to the Google Doc. In terms of this particular, again, I'm going to copy this link. I don't think it'll work. And no, it doesn't work. So what I want you to do is write the text. Tell me what's going on, and give me the details of the project. And I would expect, probably a half a page on that. In terms of in-class contributions, again, this link doesn't work. So I need to know what you did in class. And as a result, when you do the prompt, let me show you the prompt here. Um, it basically says, please summarize your answers in a draft form, point form, please, to help me complete my student weekly portfolio. And therefore, you'll give me this summary. You're obviously going to revise it and copy and paste it in there. In terms of the general resources, list at least one useful resource below, okay? And then follow these examples. I've given some examples here to guide, and you haven't listed anything here below. And then I'll look here. I don't know what you contributed here, but we'll just take a look. This looks like you did a nice job here. You've given a good description. You've linked it properly. So that was well done.